So tonight we are headed out to Santorini.
Taking a ferry, and we'll be there at 3 a.m.
It's gonna be a 9-hour ride. This is our room on the boat. It's really tiny, but I love it.
We are about to
go explore the ship.
It's bedtime, brosquito.
These are Josh's bug bites. The big one there. How do you feel?
Oh.
So it is 3 a.m. right now, and we are gonna dock.
Too early.
And we're gonna dock in Santorini in about 10 minutes. We are now in Santorini, and we are rented a car and are headed to go see the sunrise. Now I think I'm in love.
Time for the sunset.
Show
Watch
us your
sunset.
bug bites.
I got bits by the bugs. Got bits by the bugs. Whoa. And I have more in some undisclosed location.
Yeah, so today we watched the sunrise and then just had a really chill day of
That was
relaxing.
still all today. Wow. Today's been a long day.
Today, yeah, so we got here at 3 a.m. We watched the sunrise, just had a chill afternoon,
Yes.
and now
We're watching the sunset. We're staying at the north point of the island. So today we're going down to the south side.
and we're just gonna explore, check out some ancient ruins, and go to some beaches.
First stop
Is the Akrotiri excavation site. So 5000 BC, people used to live here, and then after they lived here for like many centuries, earthquakes started happening, and so all the buildings crumbled. And then about a few hundred years later after that, the volcano in Santorini erupted. So this whole place got covered with volcanic ash. And so then it's been undiscovered for a while, but then in 19 something or other, I think in 1967, could be wrong in the date though, someone discovered these, and so now they're excavating it to learn more about how these people used to live.
Oh, sorry, go ahead.
Second stop for the day, we are now
At the Red Beach.
we're gonna go swimming in the water. about to go swim in the red beach.
Oh, it gets really deep real quick.
Yeah.
Whoa.
It's so cold.
Let's go. Came from Red Beach and we are now going to
Black Beach.
Sorry, Mom.
Okay, so we're at Black Beach. We just went swimming.
Jumping, I don't know, it's fun. Unnecessarily. Oh, hey there. Howdy doody, internet. So, we'll see if Levi catches that. So we are now headed to a lighthouse, which is the southernmost, the end of the island.
Yes.
There's the south end and then a north end. It's a big crescent. So we're going to the south end of the island where a cool lighthouse is and gotta go see the sunset.
Woo!
Travel review, Black Beach is better than Red Beach.
Yes.
So if you're in Santorini,
And you can only go to one beach.
go to Black Beach. So Teresa got her flip-flops stuck in the mud, and they're fine. But we've been gone for a couple months, and I've had 2 flip-flops break already. This is my second pair. Why?
That's the other end of the island, Ia, where we are headed now to go back to our place.
So we actually didn't stay at the lighthouse for the sunset. We decided to go back to Ia because the sunset there. Ready to go, let's start the van and be gone. Start the van and be gone. Now our bags are all packed and we're ready to go. Start the van and be
So we just spent the last 3 days in Santorini.
And now we're headed back to Athens by means of boat.
In a few minutes, we will be arriving at the port of Piraeus.
We just got back to our room.
And tonight's our last night in Greece.
Tomorrow, we head to Italy. I have no more faces. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you're always meant to be. You don't have to fear, don't let them show. Runner!